It's John Dose here, and here on this episode of Tips and Tricks, we're going to go over some, just different tips of the different types of tools that you can use when you're putting together our DYNAMAX Structural Grid System. DYNAMAX is a heavy-duty grid system, and you'll notice there are aluminum threads, and there's all different brackets, intersection brackets that go with these 1/4-20 screws. So here I'm going to just show some bracket screwing with a, your typical impact gun. And now that's tight, but watch what happens, just one extra. See how that screw turned? That's technically over tight. What that can do is it can compromise the threads if this was. Here, I'm going to show you, this is a gun with an adjustable clutch. So we're going to put it not on the lowest setting, but we're going to put it on number 2. This controls that every screw is put in at the same exact torque. And you physically can't over tighten this screw. Again, I'll do one with the impact. As you can see, this gun really controls that the screws are all put in at the same torque. This one is up to the installer. So again, for if you're working with some of our structural grid systems, it's just worth noting that when you're assembling these big structural grid systems like we see above me, use a clutch gun. Make sure the guys are putting it on the same setting so there's no possibility of over tightening or stripping out these screws. If you like these tip and trick videos, follow the link at the bottom of the screen for more.